this whole card?
Hi everyone, this is Anna back with another stamping video. You probably just heard that my helper is here. Kelsey. She tells me she's not going to help today, so we'll see if that actually happens. She says she just wants to watch, but I'm not sure if I believe her. So we're going to make this really cute and simple pineapple card using our Timeless Tropical stamp set. I have a Fun Folds online class coming up with this set, and I just think it's a lot of fun. I mean, who doesn't love pineapples and thinking about tropical places? You loved your pineapple smoothie I made you this morning. So
I only like it with other things.
Yeah, okay, so this is turning into the Anna and Kelsey circus show or something. I don't even know what's going on here, so we will get started. Here's what we need. We need a Granny Apple Green card base. We need a piece of Bermuda Bay and a piece of white cardstock. The Bermuda Bay measures 3 1/8 by 4 7/8. The white measures 3 by 4 3/4. So first we're going to grab this piece of white and show you how to do this stamping effect. I really like this. I did kind of like a rainbow or an ombre effect here with the blending of the yellow down to the Bermuda Bay. And also, actually this is Coastal Cabana, I'm sorry. And then also the blending of the darker to the lighter. So I'll show you how to do this. We will start at the top with Daffodil Delight. So I have my pineapple stamp here, and as you can see, this one falls off the edge. So I'm going to stamp this one about halfway off the edge. Then I am going to re-ink, stamp it full strength, and then I am going to continue stamping without re-inking until I get over here to the edge. So that is how we get the faded effect.
It's called stamping off.
Clean my stamp real quick with my chamois. This is my favorite stamp cleaning tool. It is called stamping off. Thank you, my little helper. Now we are going to pull in Granny Apple Green. I just love this color. Such a fun, bright color. This one I'm going to stamp kind of staggered from the one above it. Right there. And I'll do a second one full strength. And then I'm going to continue stamping as it gets lighter. And we will do the same thing with the Coastal Cabana as soon as I clean my stamp off. Make sure the stamp is dry, and this one again will stamp off of the edge about halfway. And then full strength, and a couple more without re-inking. So there you go. You can see the two effects blending from the yellow to the Coastal Cabana, and also the fading. So we will attach this to our Bermuda Bay cardstock using some snail. I don't know about you, but thinking about pineapples and tropical places sounds wonderful right now. Here's my Granny Apple Green card base. I already put some white on the inside. That white measures 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll attach this right to the front, and then I'll show you how to do that little fun ribbon effect behind the greeting. So if you can see this, I have just kind of like a little zigzag of ribbon right there that I put behind the greeting to add something a little bit extra. So I have some of our Daffodil Delight ruched ribbon, I believe this is called. And I'm going to put just a little bit of this snail adhesive down. I'm going to do 2 little strips that overlap a little bit. And so I want the bottom end to stick down a little bit. Then it's going to come up. We will loop it around. Press that piece back into the snail. Loop it around at the bottom one more time. And then leave that end sticking out up here at the top. And then I have already stamped the little greeting onto a little white strip. I used the Granny Apple Green color. And we just need to stick that right over top.
With sticky dots.
With dimensionals, the little sticky foam dots. That is correct. Thank you, Madame, for helping me remember to tell them the details. And I hope you enjoyed this card today with the Timeless Tropical Stamp Set. And I hope you join us again next time. Have a great day.